Kid's just trying to be a hero, huh? Well, what do you think of this? Yeah, that's it, kid. What? Whoa! Get it in! I taught him that. Ka-chow!
What a move by McQueen. He's caught up to the leaders.
Oh, yeah, this is what it's all about. A three-way battle for the lead with 10 to go.
Can you get back to the pits?
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, got a yellow. Bring it in. Don't tear yourself up, kid.
We gotta get him back under fast, or we're gonna be a lap down and we'll never win this race.
Rito, it's time.
Hey, Tiny, you gonna clean his windshield?
That was the fastest pit stop I've ever seen.
It was a great stop, but he's still got to beat that race car out.
It's going to be close.
Yay! Back in the race. Pit stop.
This is it. We're heading into the final lap, and McQueen is right behind the leaders. What a comeback!
199 laps, and baby, it all comes down to this.
This is it, kiddo.
You got 4 turns left, one at a time. Drive it in deep and hope it sticks. Go!
McQueen's going inside. Chick and the King are loose.
I think McQueen is out of the race. McQueen saved
He's back on the track.
Moved like a Cadillac.
Steam like a beaver. Lightning McQueen is going to win the Piston Cup.
Come on, you got it, Stickers.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
Oh no.
What's he up to, Doc?
What are you doing, kid?
I think the King should finish his last race.
You just gave up the Piston Cup. You know that?
Ah, this grumpy old race car I know once told me something.
It's just an empty cup.
Darryl, is pushing on the last lap legal?
Hey, man, he's not really pushing him. He's just giving him a little bump draft. Hey, what? What's going on? That's what I call racing right there.
Way to go, buddy!
There's a lot of love out there, you know, man.
Don't embarrass me, Fillmore.
That's my hot rod.
Come on, baby, bring it out. Bring out the Piston Cup. Ka-chicka, ka-chicka. Yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about. Hey, How come the only one celebrating is me, huh? Where are the girls? Bring on the confetti! Ow! Easy with the confetti. What's going on? Come on, snap some pictures. I gotta go sign my deal with Dynaco. Kachika, say it with me. Kachika, Kachika. What's everybody? What's happening? Hey, this is the chick era.
Thanks, Lightning.
You're welcome.
Congrats on the loss, me bucko. You got a lot of stuff, kid.
Thanks, Doc.
Hey, Lightning. How about coming over here and talking to me a minute? Son, that was some real racing out there. How'd you like to become the new face of Dynaco?
But I didn't win.
Lightning, there's a whole lot more to racing than just winning.
He was so rusty, when he drove down the street, the buzzers used to circle the car.
Thank you, Mr. Tex, but these Rustees guys over there gave me my big break. I want to stick with them.
Well, I sure can respect that. Still, you know, if there's ever anything I can do for you, just let me know.
I sure appreciate that. Thank you. Actually, there is one thing.